Yeah, what up my people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. On the pains of the time you come across this video, it's your presenter Obodo Sunday, aka Sugar Boy, the worry boy, we know the year word. Bobby, sometimes saying for this Nigeria custom, police, immigration, they talk some kind of things. Go be like saying, go be like somebody just shook up for the eye through the screen, because me not the pan annoy me normally. Okay, you as a normal custom now. You as a normal soldier man, you as a normal policeman when you be now, so your duty now to protect life and property. And one of these bandits that they worry the Nigerian lifestyle, say, they worry everywhere for the country, say. Una so don't know where they did. Sometimes I go say the arm the way they carry too they sophisticated, so una not feel they confront them. Una not feel they engage them. Okay, you now as a custom officer now, you dey tell me say una meet them face to face. They call they friendly with una. Out of 37 bag of fries when they loot normally, say that they tell you say may you leave 7 for them. Then may you go with 30. Then now you can run normally. Then you can come inside normal interview. You can boldly they talk with pride. You be very near you man be. Whatever they talk with pride. Okay, just put yourself for inside my shoe normally now. Say okay, me I can be normal coach normally now. I can arrest Omila. As I arrest Omila, I can follow the Omila they negotiate. I can the Omila they tell me say okay, after the 2 meters when they collect. Say they want to deal with 500. Man carry 500 go. Then me as a policeman, I go reach office. I go they tell the DPO with pride. Say me the robbers. Let me say they go rob. So say we hold them normally. Say but the robbers they call they differently with us. So we sorry for them. We go give them 500. We go carry 500. Kind mumu level be all those one. All these Fulani people. Me I don't understand. They are not blaming on Shana the way the country they do normally. You don't understand because normally I don't understand. They be like say. They go say that they short of doctors for inside hospital. They also okay, me they post new doctor come for inside one side. Instead of they go post doctor, when be like say they qualify, come the hospital, be like say they need doctor. You call post mechanic come instead of doctor. Everybody can mumu level so. People be like say they're educated. People be like say they're capable to do all this work. We don't go put them for inside the position. I would say the country on our own. Say no, I get the country. And I go appoint to the escort car, make it go the passport office. And I go appoint who they say suya, make it go work for inside bank. Now be the kind of mumu ogberaga level when they operate inside the Nigeria lifestyle. So see what the custom officer they open a mat steady talk, say they engage the bandit. Instead of inside 37 bag of rice when they carry, and say they can't look them one kind, they can't sorry for them. The people can't be friendly with them. The bandit they can say okay, me they not your go like that. Say me they leave 7 back with them. Me they go with that. Now you can come out. You can't even talk with pride. You be very near you man be. But if na east or maybe na Anambra thing they say me they post una go they spread una wings. They base everywhere. Say una rugged well. Now nothing negotiate with man. You know the Kano and make peace there everywhere. But I feel they negotiate with bandits. And I will say there be repented Boko Haram. Now put there for inside army. Now put there for navy. Now put there for custom. Now come go full. Now don't worry. Very anyhow you might be there. When I watch what this idiot they talk.
Working for only custom. We are working for the nation, and we are working for you people. I sacrifice my life to go to Dusema, to enter the bush where the bandits are. If I tell you last time we have encounter with them, to the extent that they are a little bit friendly with us. We seized 37 bag of rice. They say, okay, if we are to go, they have to take 7 bags. We give them 7 bags to save our life. So you